Quickly show you how you can transfer your Ethereum gas fee on MEMEFI back to your Bybit, sell it or do whatever you want to do with it. Just this morning, as at the time of recording this video, this morning now, MEMEFI has to brought out another update that they are no longer launching on Ethereum, linear Ethereum again. Imagine, after we've deposited $2 above for the gas fee, you said you are launching on Ethereum, linear Ethereum, you partner with Tone, and now you said you'll be launching on Zoo. According to update this morning now, they've extended the date of launching as well, which should be November 9 or so. We don't even seem to understand these people again. So now let me quickly show you. Now go to your wallet. Once you are on your MEMEFI, go to your wallet. I want to show you something here. You come to your Ethereum, the one you deposited, then you click on withdraw. See this withdraw. Now, before you do whatever here, you have to copy your Ethereum address of your Bybit. But before we do that, I just want to show you this thing. Transaction here cannot be done except you have minimum balance of 0.01 Ethereum. And what we are having now is not even up to 0.0, the available balance. You can see the available balance here, which is 0.001. And we need to have at least 0.01, which means we cannot transfer from this wallet, the wallet inside MEMEFI, to Bybit or any other exchange or any other exchange or wallet. So before now, I've posted a video on how to copy your import your wallet to Bitget wallet. Yes, I've shown you guys. That is where we'll be transferring our money from our gas fee, the one we have on MEMEFI wallet. Let me go back and show you this. See the available balance here, which is $2.54. So now if we should go to our our wallet, Bitget wallet, you see this is the available balance equivalent to what we have on the MEMEFI wallet. So how do we do first? Now go back to your Bybit. Go to Bybit because that's where I transferred this from. Go to deposit. Once you click on deposit with crypto, click here, deposit with crypto. You click on it. Once you click on deposit with crypto, search for whichever one you are searching for. I'm searching for Ethereum, ETH. So it's going to bring it out. You see, this is the Ethereum. So now we have to choose the chain, that is the network we want to transfer from, we want to receive from, which is the linear network. You see it. This is very, very important. Make sure you select it. Once you select it, okay, please confirm that you are depositing Ethereum to this address on linear network. You understand? Just like what I said earlier, you click on OK. You click on copy address. I've copied the address. Now I have to go back to my Bitget wallet. Let's go back to Bitget wallet. Then what will I do? I'm on like this, home. I'll go back to wallet. I'll click on wallet. Then I'll click on send. Then this is the available balance that I have here. Click on it, Ethereum. Then paste the address here. I'm going to paste the address there. You see? Then see the available balance, just like what we have been shown on MEMEFI account, MEMEFI wallet. Then we click on all. So once we click on all, we click on confirm. You see the transaction summary now. So we click on confirm. Let's wait for it to get load. Then you see from wallet to blah blah blah, the gas fee is 0.0076, which is still okay. You click on confirm. Then let me pause and put in my pin. So I've put in my pin now. As you can see, the transaction verification in progress, average block for blah blah blah. You see, so now I'm going to receive it in my Bitget wallet in 1 minute's time. Now let me click on OK later. So once it's done, the available balance will automatically leave the the wallet. Once transaction is being done, you see it. Let me click on transactions. Not yet done. So once it's done, this balance will be debited. Let's wait for it. As you can see the transaction has been debited. You see, today, which means I've withdrawn today. See the transaction. Let's click on the transaction. You see it's successful. See, you can see the date we are recording it. Now I've got a notification that I have a deposit from Bybit. Can you see it? Deposit in progress. So now that is how to transfer your gas fee from these people, get it back to your what's it called, to your Bybit, and convert it to whichever one you want to convert it to. Give it in few minutes time. Now it's going to appear. Yes, you see, you have one deposit pending. So it's going to appear and you can swap it to Tone USDT and sell it off. I don't seem to understand these people at all. Again, you see, you have one deposit request pending confirmation. You see, so that is how to get it done. That is just a simple. If you want to transfer from your wallet, from your MEMEFI wallet, it may not go because the available balance they are requesting for is not there. So that is that. And see you in the next video. Okay, you see it. This is it. You see it now. So that is that. See you in the next video. Thank you.